In this video, we will learn that how we can write program in R. So for this, for example, x is a variable, and if I say x is equal to 5, and then you have to execute this line. Just press Control Enter, and then you just need to write x or print x. Control Enter, and you will see here in the console the 5 is printed. We can also write this expression instead of is equal to, less than dash, Control Enter, and then again Control Enter, and you will see here the 5 is printed. And for the auto printing, we can write here just X, hit Enter, and you will see the 5 is printed here. And in the console, if you just write here like X, and you don't need to press Control Enter, just press Enter, and you will see the 5 is auto printed here. So X is a vector, so we call a variable as a vector in R. And if we want to print, for example, 1 to 10, then it's very simple. Just write 1 colon 10, and here you can see the 1 to 10, it is printed here. So here again, x is a vector that contains a range from 1 to 10. The R consists of 5 basic or atomic classes of objects that includes character, numeric, integer, complex, and logical, that we'll see one by one. We have also attributes. Attributes are the metadata about the objects, and we can get more information about the object by using name, dim names, dimension, class, length, and other user-defined attributes are. So we will see all these things step by step. There is a difference between integer and numeric. For example, if I say x equal to 3, and then if I need to check the class of this variable or vector, we will call vector in our class and x. And here you will see this is numeric, right? And numeric includes all the numbers that contains, for example, points, double in nature. So if we need explicitly integer or type, then what we have to do is x equal to 3, and then we need to write here L, and see now it is integer, right? So let's see how we can create vectors in R. So it's very simple. For example, x is equal to, like if we want to create the empty vector, then you just need to write a C and brackets, this one. So if I want to see the name, if I want to see the class of this object, and here you can see the class is null, because this is the empty vector that does not belong to any type. So, and if we want to create like one, if we want to create a numeric vector 1, 2, 3, 4, this one, class, and here you can see the class is numeric, and these are the entries that we have entered 1, 2, 3, 4. And for example, if we say 1.1, or we just need to make it a little short, 2.0. So here you can see this is again a numeric, right? And if we want to create integer type vector, then we just need to write here 1L and 2L, this one. So here you can see this is the integer type. And now let's try to create, for example, a logical, true, false, this one. And here you can see this is the type is logical and true and false. And we instead of writing the full true, we can just write T for true and F for false. So this will also work, right? And if we want to create a character type vector, so it's very simple. A double quotation A, comma, for example B. So here you can see the type is character, and these are the values A and B. And if we want to create, for example, a complex vector, complex type, so it will be like 1 plus 4i, comma 4 plus 3i, for example, this one. So here you can see the type is complex, 1 plus 4i plus 4 plus 3i. And if we want to create, for example, integer type vector, so we don't, and if we don't want to write a 1l or 2l, something like that, we just need to write here, for example, 1 colon 10. So here you can see the type is now integer. So these are the ways that how we can create different types of vectors: empty vectors, integer vector, numeric, complex, and logical vectors. So that's all for this video. So if you liked this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.